This is our English channel, Sapphire Kingdom Gemology, regarding the gemology lessons. And this is the 53rd lesson. We are learning about natural sapphire inclusions. This is part number 5. If you are not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and bell icon once to receive notifications regarding new lessons. Okay, we are moving to inside. In here, we are learning. This is one of the kind, very beautiful sapphire inclusions in natural sapphire. Now look at this. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique fiber optic. Then we can see like parquet, thick parquet style zoned clouds are here. If you can see this inside the stone, it shows us it is a natural untreated sapphire. So you can remember this very well. Remind this when you see this, it is like parquet flow. Parquet style zone clouds are there. So it is giving the evidence to us it is not treated. It is natural blue sapphire. We are moving to next. This also another view of the parquet style zoned stone. It is non-enhanced. Lighting condition is oblique fiber optic. It is a Sri Lanka stone, blue sapphire. It is natural. Parquet style. Remember the parquet style zoning. Here, another Sri Lanka stone, no enhancement. Lighting condition is transmitted light, that is light field illumination. You can remember the 7 illumination styles we learned in 48, lesson number 48. When viewed in light field, it can be difficult to tell a crystal from a negative crystal. These are the negative crystals, and inside the negative crystal, there is another crystal. So we can't identify clearly all are the negative crystals, but hard to tell which one is negative crystal and which one is another one. All are negative crystals. If you see like this negative crystals, it is a natural blue sapphire, natural sapphire. The same thing, same sapphire washed under these two lighting conditions, crossed polars plus diffuse light field. Earlier one is only one light field. It is transmitted light. When viewed through the transmitted light, we can see this, but with the diffuse light field and crossed polars, we can see this. See the birefringent double reflective crystal is here. And it is easy to distinguish birefringent crystals from monofringent. These are the monofringent, single refractive. This is double refractive. When looking at the crystal at crossed polar, when we watch crossed polar through the crossed polar lighting field, we can see the single refractive. These are single refractive, and this is double refractive. So look at this. We can't identify very well here under the light field, transmitted light. We can't tell which one is DR, which one is single refractive. But here we can see it properly. So this is one of the kind, another natural sapphire inclusions. Another one here. This is irregular crystal. This irregular crystal shows birefringent. It is double refractive. The lighting condition here is diffuse light field and the crossed polars, both are together. So it is Sri Lankan sapphire, unheated sapphire. So Under the crossed polars and diffuse light field, we can see the double reflective and the single reflective inclusions here. This inclusion pattern and the, look at here, it is fingerprint. It shows nothing happened to this sapphire by human beings. So it is a natural sapphire. Look at this. Lighting condition here is fiber optic diffuse oblique. It is also Sri Lankan sapphire. We can see the inclusions here, inclusion pattern. This is iron sulfide, FES, iron sulfide, which can be an opaque. It is an opaque crystal. Opaque means light we can't travel through this inclusion. So it is opaque. Creates a striking image in this untreated Sri Lankan sapphire. It is micro-Raman revealed. It is iron sulfide. So when we look at this, when we see this kind of inclusion pattern, we can see the stone is natural, not treated. Look at this. Lighting condition here is fiber optic diffuse oblique. Fiber optic diffuse oblique. Look at the scene here. A beautiful, colorful fingerprint is here. Shimmers in this untreated Sri Lankan sapphire. It is a beautiful, colorful, beautiful and colorful fingerprint. It shows nothing happened to the stone by the furnace or human treatments. It is a natural inclusion. It is a natural microscopic inclusion. So it is a natural stone. When we goes there, we can see this. It is very nice. Sometimes we can see these kind of inclusions without any loop also. It is natural Sri Lankan sapphire. Lighting condition is fiber optic diffuse oblique. Lone, very lone, unbroken needles you can see. These are the rutile needles. Unbroken needles of undissolved rutile silk are a common feature of this type of untreated Sri Lankan sapphire. I have seen lot of stones with these inclusions with a 10x loop also. We can see. See the angle is 60 degrees, 60 to 60. So it is rutile silk, natural rutile silk inside the sapphire. So this is showing us it is a natural inclusion and natural sapphires too. It is Sri Lankan sapphire. And look at this. The shape of this inclusion is conical. You know the conical means. These conical crystals show interference colors. See the interference colors when viewed under the diffuse light and crossed polars. Because of crossed polars lighting condition, it gives this look. So these conical crystals show interference colors when viewed through the crossed polars. This shows us these kind of inclusions comes like dog tooth. No, it is a natural sapphire. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give share and like and give a comment. In this picture, it also conical crystal. It shows the interference colors also. Diffuse light field and the crossed polars are the lighting conditions. It is like dog tooth. These conical crystals show interference colors when viewed through the crossed polars light. See the interference colors are here. So this shows us, this proves us the bearer, natural bearer is natural Sri Lankan sapphire. It is a natural sapphire. What is this? Under the fiber optic oblique lighting condition, look at the fingerprint here. This is the fingerprint. Nothing happened to these fingerprints by heat. Inclined fiber optic light reveals the beautiful iridescence. All are the iridescence. DR, double refractive iridescence of this fluid inclusions. All are the fluid inclusions. Inside these inclusions, liquid is there. Maybe CO2 liquid or H2O liquid, carbon dioxide or water liquids. But all the inclusions feel full of fluid. It is untreated sapphire. You can see the birefringence. It is natural sapphire inclusion. Now what is this? The lighting condition here is dark field. It is Sri Lankan sapphire, untreated. Look at the needles, rotile needles also there. And look at these inclusions. Careful examination of an unidentified solid crystals. There are two solid crystals we can see here of a blue-violet gem. The gem is blue-violet gem from Sri Lanka. Reveals that the large crystal includes its own fingerprints. Inside this inside this crystal, there was a fingerprint inside also. Here, this crystal also shows the fingerprint inside it. So these kind of inclusions with the rotile silk, we can identify the stone is not treated. It is natural. Now see this very beautiful scene. Diffuse overhead lighting condition is diffuse overhead. We can see shortly after these Sri Lankan sapphire crystals grew, a fissure developed. Fissure is developed. The fissure slowly closed, trapping liquid and gases, carbon dioxide in this imaginary pattern of inward facing crystals, faces that we call negative crystals. All are filled with liquid pattern, liquid or gases pattern. Liquid or gases, carbon dioxide is here inside the inclusion. When viewed from overhead, this ancient sky is illuminated in a cascade of colors. Cascade of colors. The symmetry of these heads mimics the underlying crystalline symmetry of the sapphires, as these are simply inward facing faces. This is natural sapphire, untreated natural sapphire. So see the fingerprint here. Very clearly give us the evidence it is not treated. I will teach more inclusions in the next part. It is number 54, lesson number 54. L means lesson. If you have subscribed and click the bell icon, you will get it as soon as it is uploaded. We are uploading twice a month, 2 weeks a time. I upload in the Saturday, 5 p.m. I upload the lesson. Be kind enough to leave a like and comment after watching. Your comments will improve my service. Always follow the lesson number. You will win. I am ready to stop the recording.